Low fat content. Camel meat is generally low in fat, making it a preferable option for weight management or cardiovascular health. High protein content. Camel meat is a high-quality source of protein. Proteins are essential building blocks for the repair and growth of muscles and tissues. Rich in vitamins and minerals, camel meat can contain important nutrients such as iron, zinc, vitamin B12, and B-complex vitamins, which are vital for the healthy functioning of the body. Ease of digestibility. Camel meat is considered to be easier to digest compared to some other types of meat, reducing the risk of stomach discomfort. Low risk of allergic reactions. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions to certain types of meat, especially red meats. Camel meat may pose a lower risk of allergic reactions for such individuals. It's important to note that individual responses to foods can vary, and consulting with a nutritionist or doctor, taking into account one's health status, nutritional needs, and personal preferences, is advisable.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.